Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making baklava chicken wings. For that I'm going to need 2 pounds of wings, 1 tablespoon coriander, a half a tablespoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 teaspoons of garlic, a half a cup of honey, 1/4 cup of walnuts and pistachios, the juice of about half a lemon, and salt and pepper to taste. Well, this should be fun. So let's go. And assembly is simple. I'm going to give this a good sprinkle of salt. Same with pepper. Put in the cumin, cinnamon, and coriander. The garlic. The honey. And the lemon. I'm going to give this a good thorough stir. Once that's all mixed up, I'll get a 9x13 pan. Pour the wings in. Arrange them more into a single layer if I can. These are going to go into my oven for the next 30 minutes. And after the 30 minutes is up, we're going to put a last drizzle of honey to how much you like honey. And pour our pistachios and walnuts over the top. And it'll be going back into the oven at 350 this time for the next 40 minutes. Alrighty, our baklava chicken wings are done. I'm just going to dive on in and try it on out. Yep. Well, they're not terrible wings. They're not my favorite wings either. They do have that really nice baklava flavor going on. A little kick to it. Nothing major, just how the cinnamon and the other stuff stacks up on each other. I personally like a lot crispier wings, and I knew making these they weren't going to be, but that's okay. So if you like the crispier wing aspect, this isn't it. This is more the slow-cooked, softer ones. But it's still really good, surprisingly so. I still remember when my friend dropped this in my message, and I was just like, really? Alright, we can do this. It's not a regretful thing. It's really decently good. It's just not totally my cup of tea either. So if you have any thoughts, made them, don't want to make them, you're glad I made them and you didn't have to make them, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I, as usual, will see you in our next video.